Is it going? Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today I've got something very special to unbox, and I'm gonna do it with you guys. Putting my special gloves on. It's been so long, hasn't it? Very long time. Don't know if they can see me though. I'm so excited about fuck!
I'm so excited about
No, it's okay. We're still here, I guess. Are we though?
We're still live.
Okay, we're still live. It's because I don't have a support for my phone, so I can't hold it properly. Oh my god. Oh, it's got 2 boxes. Oh my god. See the ecology of this? Fuck it. Oh, that's so cute. Don't fall the phone. Check this out. Can you see this? Oh, shit. It's gonna flip it over. My desk is not that big either, so
Just don't hit the phone.
What?
Don't hit the phone.
It's not falling. Oh, out it comes! $5. Okay, now it's upside down. Let's put it back. Like that, you can see. There's the beast. Okay, let's start opening this. I've got to go gentle because there's glass. Okay. Oh, another box, cool! Maybe, probably I got scammed. If there's another box, I probably got scammed. I like having more mini boxes. I can decorate my room after that.
Yeah, with boxes.
How do I take this out? Oh, cool. There's another the backboard. No, I love how the instructions are placed. There's the instructions, I guess. Yeah. This is the Razer Tomahawk RTX. Okay, how do I take this out? I'm just gonna put this on the floor because I gotta do it the other way around. Oh crap. Oh, it's slippery, man. Why do you have to do things so complicated? God damn it.
It's a big boy.
What?
It's a big boy.
They have to do things complicated. Holy shit. Oh, at least they managed to think. They thought about this. Put in your hands on the side to lift it up. That's cool. This is heavy. This weighs like 18 pounds. Not 18 pounds, sorry, 18 kilos. In euro. Holy crap. Okay, this can go here.
This is your unboxing video.
This. Gentle, take it up. Right now I'm not setting up the PC, I'm just checking if everything's okay, nothing's damaged, because I just received it today. And since I've got a lot of work where I am, I didn't have time until now. So let's check. Damn it! I really don't want. I really don't want to harm anything. Okay. Something's holding. I don't know what it is. What is holding me? Oh, is it this?
There it is.
Wow. It's beautiful. It's huge. I didn't know it was going to be that huge though. Why is it still hanging? The hell? Okay, that came off. What's this? Oh, okay, this is like a magnet frame with holes in it. That's for it to cool down, I guess. Damn, I like how it is.
They have no idea they can hear me through the Skype.
Yeah, they can hear you, so shut up. Oh. Yep. Two USBs. That's I think that's the front. Yeah, that's the front and that's the back. And here. That's where the power supply goes, I guess. Yeah, this is the Razer Tomahawk ATX gaming chassis. I want to thank Razer for this. And as you can see, everything's tempered glass. And more ventilation holes. Oh, holy crap. Wow. That came off again. It looks a bit crappy, but I guess it's gonna be okay. Is that all that came in the box? What else is there? Because okay, there you have it, guys. The Razer Tomahawk ATX. Soon will be functioning, and I'll do a video on the setup with all the other components. Okay, see you, peace.